2. Look good, look good. As you see, my push-ups, I keep that tension on there. I've said this many times in my lives. You'll hear me talk about it a lot, even each time. 100%, I do it sometimes, but primarily my push-ups from here to here. That's a tension. Because right here, I'm still on chest. It's chest, 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 chest. Like on here, shoulders, and it's just locking out. I don't get tension on the chest. Boom. Boom. So I got a solid chest. Come on, man, you gotta grow it. You gotta put in that work. So if you're not growing your chest the way you want to, try them that way. Don't be out wide. Turn them in just a little bit. See that? I'm out here. Turn in a little bit. Come here, side, right here, just about. And then boom, boom. See that? That's about 6/8. About 6/8. I know my math. About 6/8. Then all here is 100%. So that's 6/8 right here. It's a little bent. That's what you want to keep it. I'm telling you, grow that chest, baby. Come in and push. All this is push. You're doing good. Let's go ahead and run again, y'all. We're looking good. Let's run again. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 4, 3, 2. Looking good. Look at me. We keep on rolling, man. We're looking good. About 15 minutes in, we're looking good. So we get a few more, we'll get up out of here, man. Just want to give you that word for the day. Y'all want shorter lives, a little bit longer lives, or up to an hour live? Put in the comments, y'all want what type of, the length of a live y'all want, what type of workouts y'all want. I'll put something together. You gotta follow my criteria because we living long and look good. I want to keep this heart pumping. Keep on moving. Oh, yeah, let's get it. We gotta lose some day. Let's get 2 more. Let's get 2 more. Let's see if we can fit it in here. Put this camera down. Let's get it. We're good. Keep on pushing. Woo! Oh, we feeling good, y'all. So, this workout can be from beginner and immediate to advanced. You know how you feeling. You can slow down the break, hype up the reps, slow down the break, hype up the sets, depending on your level, what type of difficulty you want to run with. This one, like the pace I'm going to right now, is probably close to beginner, going towards intermediate because we stopping in between. As you see, I'm trying to, even though we stop, we ain't trying to stay in one place. We're trying to keep, see, I'm moving. We always moving, keeping everything loose. Pause. We're doing our thing, you know? Let's get one more, we'll get up out of here, man. I appreciate y'all. For real, let's get it.